Alright, I fixed this up for you and I plated it. Here is our Bailey's apple pie, apple butter pie. Now, I have to think of a fun title. I even got a shot ready for you. You all, this is so good. Really want you to try this out. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace and love. Okay, in our Bailey's apple butter pie, here are some of the things that we're going to use. 2 eggs and 1 stick of butter. We've got our Bailey's apple pie mixture here, and sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, and our apple butter. Apple pie sauce, carnation, evaporated milk, vanilla flavoring, and butter. Well, this is vanilla extract. This is really, really good vanilla extract. Butter extract, some cinnamon, and a pie shell. And I put a little flour in there. And let's go ahead and get started. Now let's start mixing everything together. I want you to see that I've put 1 stick of butter, the jar of apple butter, 2 eggs, and a tablespoon of flour. I'm going to put this whole can of evaporated milk. Put as much vanilla as you'd like. We really like the flavor of vanilla. That's good vanilla extract. This is butter extract. Butter is going to really brighten the flavor. And I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. This is apple pie spice, like a dash of that. And over here, I'm going to put just a splash of salt. I said splash, I mean a dash. I have 1/2 cup of sugar. This is white sugar, of course. And then 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Then I'm going to use 1/3 cup of this Bailey's. Let me go to 1/3. There we go. 1/3 cup Bailey's. It's going to be really flavorful. Good. Okay, now go ahead and start this on low. I'm going to go ahead and mix this and I'll be right back. All right, now I blended everything until everything was smooth. I'm going to fill the pie shells. And I'm going to place them into a preheated oven at 375. And I'm going to bake them for 40 to 45 minutes. So we're going to have enough for 2. Do the other one here. Put this to the side. enough to fill the other one. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes and I'll show you what it looks like. So here we go. Take a look at our apple butter Bailey's apple pie. You all, this is so delicious. This was a whole lot of fun to make. There's our Bailey's apple pie flavored drink. I'm going to plate this and make this beautiful for you. I really hope you give this a try. All right, you know what we always say, let's cook with ease. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.